Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the March release for 2025, and it's the Scrap Diva Designs dies. Again, I am a part-time designer for her, so there are going to be more dies that are going to be released on March 1st. I'll be sharing with you guys what I received, and then be sure to keep an eye out for the new release within the next couple of days, so that way you guys can go ahead and pick up your dies. So let me share with you guys what I received in my package today. Okay, so the dies that I received here, I have 5 of them, and I'm going to go ahead and show you each one of them. So the first one here is the 3D Vintage Storybook. I'm so excited for this. I can't wait to share with you guys what I create with this. So this is going to be the first one. The next die here is going to be the A2 Pocket. This is going to be fun as well. And then I have the A2 card box add-on flowers. I love this little frame. The ice cream bunny die, and you guys, look at how cute this die looks. Just by looking at it, you can already see all the little details and all the little cuts that you'll be doing with this die, and how cute it's going to turn out. So can't wait to play with that one. And then the last one I have here is the butterfly set, and you guys already know I'm excited for this one because I do love me some butterflies, and I love that she has 4 different sizes because you guys know with butterflies I love to layer those. So let me show you guys a quick close-up of each one. You see all the detail embossing on the butterflies. That's gonna add a lot of dimension to the die cuts. And then I showed you guys a close-up of that one. This one, you guys can see the flowers here, so cute. And then this is the A2 Pocket. Look at how pretty this design is. And what I love about this one too is that you don't have to use the design. If you want to just use the pocket part, you can use it. You do not have to use this part. It's optional. So that is the A2 Pocket. And then the last one I'm going to share with you guys is the 3D Vintage Storybook. This one does come with more than just these dies because it is a larger die set. But I can't wait for you guys to see what I create with this. I'm really excited to actually work with this one. So I can't wait to share everything that I make with these dies. I hope that you guys grab yours on March 1st when they are released. And if you guys are watching this video on March 1st and you guys would like to purchase these dies, you can use my link down below. That is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission from that. I do try to remind you guys why I say that to use my link. I'm not forcing that upon you guys to use. I'm just letting you guys know that that link does allow me to receive a small commission. There is no cost for you guys to use that link, but I do appreciate every single one of you guys that do use it. It means so much to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm really excited to share with you guys what I create with this. I have 2 more videos that I want to share with you guys on the last release that came out, so I can't wait for that. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!